Hi, I'm Noel, and today we're exploring a fascinating comparison between mainstream convenience and privacy-first storage, Google Drive versus Cryptee. We'll help you choose the right cloud storage for your digital life. These platforms serve fundamentally different purposes. Google Drive is built for productivity and collaboration, offering seamless integration with the entire Google Workspace ecosystem for maximum efficiency. Cryptee takes a privacy-first approach as an end-to-end encrypted, zero-knowledge platform where your data remains completely private. The choice comes down to productivity versus privacy as your primary goal. Their philosophical differences couldn't be starker. Google Drive operates on a connect and collaborate philosophy designed specifically for sharing and teamwork across multiple users and devices. Cryptee follows a privacy by default philosophy where you pay for storage with money, not with your personal data. This fundamental difference shapes every aspect of how these platforms operate. The target audiences are completely different. Google Drive serves students working on group projects, professionals collaborating on documents, and teams needing real-time editing capabilities. Cryptee caters to privacy activists, journalists protecting confidential sources, and abuse victims requiring absolute data security. Recent privacy-focused storage reviews emphasize the growing demand for zero-knowledge platforms among security-conscious users. Let's see this in practice. A marketing agency needs centralized collaboration with the priority of real-time co-editing for client reports and presentations. For this scenario, Google Drive is the clear choice. Its seamless integration with Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides allows multiple team members to work simultaneously on client materials with instant updates and version control. Now consider a journalist requiring secure storage for confidential sources with the absolute priority of zero access by the service provider. Here, Cryptee becomes essential. Its end-to-end encryption ensures that even under legal pressure, the service provider cannot access stored documents, protecting both the journalist and their sources from potential exposure. Pricing models reflect their different value propositions. Google Drive offers a generous 15 gigabytes free plan with competitive paid plans that include the entire productivity suite, providing exceptional ecosystem value. Cryptee provides a limited 100 megabytes free plan with higher costs for equivalent storage, but you're specifically paying for uncompromising privacy rather than convenience features. Google Drive's pricing remains highly competitive. The free plan includes 15 gigabytes shared across Drive, Gmail, and Photos. Business Starter costs $6 per user monthly for 30 gigabytes pooled storage. Business Standard at $12 monthly provides 2 terabytes pooled storage. Google One personal plans start at $1.99 monthly for 100 gigabytes. The key insight: you're getting value from the entire integrated ecosystem, not just storage. Cryptee's transparent pricing reflects its privacy focus. The free plan offers just 100 megabytes to try the service. Entry plans cost $3 monthly for 10 gigabytes storage, with 2 terabytes being the maximum storage tier available. Key insight: pricing requires yearly commitments, and you're paying a premium specifically for transparent, zero-knowledge privacy protection rather than features or convenience. Security approaches reveal their core differences. Google Drive is considered secure, using AES 256-bit encryption for stored data and TLS/SSL protocols for transfers, but Google holds the encryption keys and can theoretically access your files. Cryptee provides end-to-end encryption where files are encrypted before upload, creating a zero-knowledge system where you alone hold the keys. Privacy philosophies are diametrically opposed. With Google Drive, you trust Google not to misuse your data, but Google can be legally compelled to share your files with authorities. Google Drive doesn't have end-to-end encryption, which means Google could theoretically see your files. With Cryptee, your data is entirely your own. Cryptee cannot access your files even if legally required because they don't have the keys. Collaboration capabilities show their target markets clearly. Google Drive offers industry-leading real-time co-editing, comments, suggestions, and seamless sharing across multiple users simultaneously. Cryptee's collaboration is intentionally limited by design, supporting single-user editing only with no real-time collaboration features, prioritizing security over convenience. File management approaches differ significantly. Google Drive provides seamless sync across all devices, powerful search capabilities, and standard folder organization that users expect. Cryptee operates as a cross-platform progressive web app with basic search functionality and unique ghost folders for additional privacy organization, though with less sophisticated search capabilities. Productivity tool integration reveals their purposes. Google Drive includes a full Office suite with Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Gemini AI Assistant for comprehensive productivity workflows. Cryptee offers an encrypted notes editor with Markdown, LaTeX, and code highlighting capabilities, plus encrypted photo and video viewers, focusing on secure content creation rather than collaboration. User experience priorities differ substantially. Google Drive features a clean, intuitive interface designed for mass appeal with minimal learning curve and instant productivity. Cryptee maintains clean, minimalist design, but security requirements create some friction, including mandatory passphrase requirements that prioritize security over immediate convenience. Integration ecosystems reflect their philosophies. Google Drive connects with hundreds of third-party applications, serving as a central hub for complex workflows and business processes. Cryptee deliberately maintains very limited integrations as a conscious choice for security, preserving its zero-knowledge model even if it means sacrificing convenience and workflow integration. Platform support shows their technical approaches. Google Drive offers native applications for Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android with optimized performance and offline capabilities. Cryptee operates exclusively as a progressive web app that works on any device with a modern browser, providing universal access without native apps or platform-specific optimizations. Let's summarize their core advantages. Google Drive delivers best-in-class collaboration features, a complete integrated tool ecosystem, and a generous free plan that provides immediate productivity value. Cryptee offers unmatched privacy protection, true end-to-end encryption, and a zero-knowledge protocol that ensures absolute data ownership and security. Here's the fundamental choice you're making: convenience versus security. There's truly no middle ground. You cannot have real-time collaboration features with ironclad, zero-knowledge security. Google Drive prioritizes seamless teamwork and productivity, while Cryptee prioritizes absolute privacy and data protection. This trade-off is absolute and intentional. Choose Google Drive if you value convenience and collaboration, need an integrated ecosystem for productivity, and trust established privacy policies for your data security. Choose Cryptee if your data must remain private at all costs. You need best-in-class security with zero-knowledge protection, and you're willing to sacrifice convenience for absolute privacy. The decision depends entirely on whether productivity or privacy is your top priority.